Hey guys, so we're moving on to the next portion of our lesson, and we are going to be reading Odyssey, Book 5, lines 277 to 389. It's a lot of reading and a lot of annotating, but I know you can do it. But let's go ahead and take a look. So we have here our poem starting at lines 277. And then it goes down, and you can see it's broken down into each section. Each section has a TDQ question or a check for understanding question. And then you'll also notice there's a place to respond on the right. And so we have a lot to read and a lot to work on today. But don't let that discourage you. You can take this in small portions, and that's the cool thing about this. So let's take a look here, our poem. If I'm going to underline, remember, and annotate, do the same thing as we've done before. He sailed the sea for 7 days and 10, and on the 18th day a murky mountain of the Phaeacian land appeared. It rose up like a shield beyond the misty sea. Well, first thing I can see is that it gives me a time period. So if I highlight this area and hit underline, and my comment, the number of days he, in this case Odysseus, was at sea, right? And then I'm going to go ahead and hit comment. And then continue reading and find some other annotations. Then I come over here to my TDQ. What two important details do we learn? Okay, what did I learn? Well, I've annotated, so I should have my information here. But I'm still not quite sure what, I learned a lot. What really am I looking for? Well, that's where these BPQ, back pocket questions, come into play. Whom does he refer to? Where is Odysseus? How long has he been there? How do you know? Who's the subject of line 281 to 284? What does Poseidon see? Make an inference. Who does he see? What does Poseidon realize, and what is his reaction? Okay, it's a lot. All right. So I can use these questions to help me answer this question. Okay. Only works, though, if I've read and annotated. So if I haven't done my reading and my annotation, I need to go back and do that. Okay. Once I think I've come up with my answer, I'm going to come over here to response and write my response here. Okay. So take the time to read this. On the next couple slides, though, you will find videos of me reading the poem to help you out, for those of you who just want to be able to also listen to the poem. Okay? See you guys back in a few.